You shouldn't not be able to stand up from a chair without your hands. You shouldn't not be able to get up and down from the floor. Those are all tasks that you should be able to do.
Lee Health physical therapist Samantha Lovos works specifically with patients 65 and up to help them feel confident doing everyday tasks.
Being able to do your dishes or take your laundry out, stand up from the chair or the toilet. Those are all tasks that you have to do, and a lot of older adults lose that ability.
But physical therapy can help patients regain the strength, flexibility, and confidence they need.
So you're gonna look at the whole body, the whole system. You're gonna look at the strength in their legs, more proprioceptive awareness. You're gonna look at vestibular function and kind of tie it all together and see what they need.
Lovos is specifically trained to work with geriatric patients to help them improve their gait, balance, and strength.
Normally as you get older, you have more diseases, diabetes, osteoporosis, cardiac issues, congestive heart failure is one of them. So we go pretty in depth on those type of diseases and learn how we need to tailor our interventions to them.
Teaching patients helpful exercises so they can confidently do the things they need to do. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.